Oppo K11 has been officially announced in its home country. We have already shared a quick unboxing shots of the phone that you can check out on our channel. It comes packed with a 100-watt Superbook charger and a Type-C cable in the box. Is there anything special about this phone? Maybe yes, it looks very similar to OnePlus Nord CE3, and we know Oppo and OnePlus have some really deep relations. So does that mean it's a rebranded version of the Nord CE3? No, it has very few differences in terms of the specs, but as I said, very few differences. Over the back of the phone, there's a glass back that has a dual color tone design with two large camera sensors. It is 8.23mm thick and weighs around 184 grams. Jumping right into the specs, the Oppo K11 has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display that offers full HD Plus resolution of 1080x2412 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, a 240Hz touch sampling rate, a 2160Hz PWM high frequency dimming, up to 500 nits of brightness, 10-bit colors, a 394 ppi pixel density, and a P3 wide color gamut. As far as display design is concerned, it features a flat screen with centrally aligned punch hole that houses a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. For security, it has a side-facing fingerprint scanner. The Snapdragon 782G chipset is at the helm of the Oppo K11 along with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Indeed, the chipset inside this device is one of the best mid-range chips you can get at the moment, and it is going to be really good for normal usual tasks and gaming too. The processor is paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. There is a dedicated microSD card slot on the device for expanding its storage. The back panel of the phone has a Sony IMX890 50-megapixel primary camera with OIS support. It is equipped with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with 112-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The flagship-grade Sony IMX890 can take in 84.3% more light, which allows it to capture clearer images and videos. The phone comes with support for up to 4K 30fps video recording. You can check out some camera samples now. The Oppo K11 has a 5000 mAh dual-cell battery with 100-watt charging support. In comparison, the OnePlus Nord CE3 5G offers 80-watt charging. According to Oppo, the K11 can achieve a full charge in just 26 minutes using the in-box 100-watt charger. Furthermore, the brand claims that the K11's battery can remain in a healthy condition at or above 80% even after undergoing a 1600 charge-discharge cycles. Hence, the K11 can remain in excellent condition even after 4 years of continuous use. By the way, this is just a claim. To avoid heating issues, the Oppo K11 features a graphite heat dissipation unit. It also features a large liquid-cooled vapor chamber heatsink providing superior heat dissipation for a cooler gaming experience. The K11 ships with the Android 13 OS, which is overlaid with ColorOS 13.1. The device is packed with other features such as dual SIM, 5G, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, an X-axis linear motor, an air blaster, a USB-C port, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Stay tuned with us if you want a detailed coverage of this device in future. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this and hit the bell icon to get notified. That's it for this video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.